What's up all you do-yourselfers? My name's Dylan Taylor, this is my workshop, and today we're going to be putting this drawer on my tool cart. This drawer has the sockets from my Milwaukee socket set. A really fancy one that's super thin and the tray actually comes right out of. So I wanted them to be on the tool cart so that I could use them, but I wanted them more accessible, so I wanted them up here. So if you're a viewer of this channel, you will know that I have this tool cart that I wheel around my shop. This socket set generally stays right down here. That's great. I have all of my socket sets down there. It keeps the weight down low on this cart. But the cool part about this socket set is that, well, one, it's really slim. I really like that. Two, the sockets just come right out. They're not stuck down in there. Three, they got this nice square bit to grab onto. Four, my maybe favorite part, is that you could just set this in your tool drawer and then put the case away. About here at chest height is where I want to have a drawer that comes in and out of the cart. I'm just really excited about this. I'm pumped about this, and I can finally clear off all this crap up here. So these drawer slides are 12 inches. I think this is like 11 3/4 itself. So they'll get mounted on. So this is the cool part about the full extension. So the drawer can go all the way back there and all the way out to here. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And I do have a Patreon. It's always in the description. If you want to check out my Patreon, do that. I'm posting things ahead of time on there. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please share this video with a friend. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. We'll see you guys all next time. Peace out.